Hi everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you an easy peasy but super delicious paneer recipe. Call it Paneer Makhani, call it Paneer Makkhanwala, call it Paneer Butter, call it whatever you want. It has paneer and it has butter. What can go wrong? So let's get started. For Paneer Makkhanwala, the 5 basic ingredients are 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 green chilies, 1 small piece of ginger and 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. This is the base and now we are going to add on to this. So I'm going to chop all of these into fine pieces, or let's say rough fine pieces, and I'll show you what the next steps are. Now I have kept kadai on the gas, and in this kadai I'm going to add in half a cup of water. This is just so that nothing burns when we add to this kadai. Now once we've added the water, we'll obviously add in all the ingredients that we just spoke of. So I've chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger and green chilies. I'm just going to add all of this in the kadai. Now once all of this is added, I'm going to start adding in some spices. So the first thing I'm going to add is bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, that is badi elaichi, small stick of cinnamon. I'm going to add in 3 cloves. Also add in 2 to 3 green cardamom. And then I have some 12 cashew nuts, 12 to 13 cashew nuts I'm going to add in to the tomato onion mix. We are adding cashew nuts so that the gravy gets a nice thick texture. And once we're done adding all of this, I'm going to add in butter. So almost a tablespoon of butter. Now a lot of people ask if we can add less butter in this. Yes, you can, but I would suggest please don't add little butter. This is Paneer Makkhanwala, so Makkhan is the main important ingredient, and hence at least a tablespoon of Makkhan has to go in here. Now to this, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now remember, we've also added green chilies, so you can always alter the green chilies or the red chili powder basis your taste. I've added like a tablespoon in this. And then I'm going to add some salt generously basis the gravy that we are going to make. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt and just give this like a quick mix. And once this is mixed well, I'm going to cover and cook this for the next 20 minutes on slow flame till the tomatoes get absolutely mushy. Now this has been cooking for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's see how it looks like. Wow. I'm just going to check. The tomatoes are completely mushed up. Even the cashew nuts are cooked really well. I'm now going to shut off the flame and we'll let this cool down for some time, and then we'll be basically grinding this in a mixer. But before we put this in our mixer to grind into a smooth paste, just remember to remove these bigger spices like the bay leaf, then we have the black cardamom, and we also have a stick of cinnamon. We're just going to remove these 3 and then grind it into a paste. Look how nice and creamy this comes out. I'm just going to pour it in a bowl and keep this aside. Our gravy is absolutely ready. Now we move on to the next stage, that is our paneer. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in at least 2 tablespoons of butter and let this melt a bit. And once this melts a little, I'm going to add in some ginger and green chilies. Just saute this for a couple of seconds. Now I never really followed this particular step, but I was looking at a video by Chef Kunal Kapoor and he did this step. And when I tried it, it came out amazing. It definitely adds more value to the dish. So the idea is basically to just saute ginger and chilies in butter for like few seconds and then add paneer to this. The idea is to give paneer the taste of ginger and chilies. And of course butter, because this is Makkhanwala. So I'm going to add in 200 grams of paneer in this. In between you can also sprinkle a little bit of salt. This is so that the paneer cubes are also seasoned well. Don't put too much salt, very little, because butter also has salt. Now that the paneer cubes are sorted, I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Don't burn the powder, just mix this quickly well. And without taking a lot of time, we'll add our gravy to this. And then we mix this gravy nicely with the paneer. Now I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar, not a lot. This is just so that we cut the tartness or the sourness of tomatoes. And then we let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Basically, we are going to bring a nice boil to the paneer, the gravy, and a little bit of sugar that we've added into it. And once this comes to a nice boil, I'm going to take some Kasuri Methi, crush this, and add this to our paneer. This is going to bring in so much flavor. Now, once you add Kasuri Methi, you're just going to mix this a little bit. And we don't cook a lot. We just, maybe keep it on the gas for around 10 to 20 seconds. That's it, because otherwise it can turn bitter. Now, paneer is done. We're going to take it out in a nice bowl. After all, presentation also matters. Garnish this steaming hot paneer with some nice cream. Optional, but it's gonna make it yum. And then just add a sprig of coriander, or just garnish it with chopped coriander, however you like it. I'm just gonna add one in the center. And our Paneer Makkhanwala or Paneer Makhani is absolutely ready to eat. Hope you liked my recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it was. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmet. Till then, bye bye.